Every month since October 2023, I have been disclosing how much money I have made being an affiliate with the TikTok Shop program and showing the products I actually use to make this money. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I was able to unlink my account from the seller profile and still retain my ability to be an affiliate without doing anything extra or reapplying to the affiliate program. If you made it this far in the video, hey, I'm Shay. I talk about many programs I use to make money. So make sure you subscribe and like for the algorithm so other people can benefit from the information as well. So what I did with a random Google search, okay, I wanted to see if this was a thing and if anybody was able to show if they did it. Come to find out, everybody was scared, which I understand, and nobody actually did it. Everybody has just been talking about it, but just riding the wave of the backdoor method by still having selling account attached to their profiles. So I went ahead and actually physically did everything, and this is what happened. Now, before I go into the steps of what I did, I want to make it absolutely clear that I am not saying that this will work for you. I can only show you what I did and what happened once I did it, but you will not know if it will work for you unless you try it. What I can say with certainty is that TikTok makes it very clear if you unlink a TikTok account from your seller profile, you only have 4 times to do this for the entirety of your account, meaning forever. So you want to be very strategic with unlinking and linking accounts. If you unlink and you only have one account and you try to relink it and it doesn't work, just make a brand new TikTok account and then link that one as your official account. Remember, you must go do identity verification before they will actually link it to your profile. You are also able, which is I am doing now, to link a brand new account that you don't have access to live streams or the affiliate program so that you can build up that brand new account where you can have possibly 2 affiliate profiles, or you can go after the regular creator rewards program and the other programs they have that do not deal with selling anything and using the live feature as your advantage because you have it linked to a seller profile. There are many ways you can go about doing this, but I wanted to make that clear before I move forward. So what you're going to do is go into the seller account and you're going to find the official account and marketing account and see your linked profile. You will see a button at the very bottom that says unlink underneath TikTok shop account. Once you click on that unlink button, you will get this message right here. You can pause the video to read it. This is how it will look once you have officially unlinked your primary TikTok account. Once this happened, all I did was go back into my app. I cleared the cache, I cleared the settings, I force stopped it, and I opened it back up. And the best thing happened, which I was missing out on the entire time I've been an affiliate. My product showcase showed up on my app. If you're unaware, if you get in through the backdoor method, you are not able to show your showcase on your app at all. Like nobody can see it, only you. Yes, you can order products and it says it's going to go to your showcase, but nobody can see it. So when I unlinked it, it immediately came up on my profile, and that's how you can dictate what other person who is an affiliate use the backdoor method if you don't see a showcase on their app side. And the best thing about this is that I actually reached out to TikTok regarding some violations. They looked at my account and they never said anything to me. They did not take the affiliate option away from me. I am still 100% earning commission, still getting free samples, and I'm still getting deposits into my account to withdraw every single day. So in the end of it all, it may work for you. And if it doesn't work for you, as I stated, make a brand new account, link it, and then go through it that way. But I don't see it won't work. But I'm not going to be the person that says a guarantee because nothing is guaranteed. This is TikTok. Things are always wishy-washy with them. So I hope this video gave you some insights. Maybe you'll try it. If you do, let me know so that you can build multiple streams of income using multiple affiliate accounts or go on live stream and making money that way.